Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 KB5001649 is failing to install. Copy URL from description and paste it. Type KB5001649. First find your system type, type MS-Info32 in Windows search bar. Click System Information. My system type is 64 based. Type WinVer in Windows search bar. My Windows version is 20H2. Click Download. Right-click, click Save Link As. Click Save. Click Keep. Open download location. Double-click to open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.